A video by Black Unicorn fanfictions. Kindly do not copy and read the disclaimer very carefully. I graduated last year but didn't get any job. My family, friends, and snakes started asking me about my life and making me feel to repeat people. One day I lied to my parents that I got a job in the city. Then I packed my stuff and came to the city to live my fictional life. I did so many part-time jobs while preparing for the real job. One day my roommate's friend told her that she needs someone as a fake girlfriend for her millennial brother just for a couple of days. They were paying well, so I asked if I can do it or not. Soon, I started living with her brother Jeon Jungkook to make his family and friends believe that he is thinking about settling down and doesn't need lectures to be serious about his life. Initially, I thought he is very arrogant, but later I realized he doesn't prefer to open up with someone because if he does, he has no limits and he opens up too much. We started getting closer after a couple of weeks. Even I managed to get a good job. My hard work paid well. And that short contracted relationship didn't end. We haven't confessed our feelings to each other with words, but we express them with actions. I still live with him, steal his hoodies, eat his snacks, use his detergent, make him massage my back. Life was going perfectly until last week. A third person came between us. He started drifting away. His family friend's daughter came back from abroad. He started spending a lot of time with her. He even gave her a job in his company. But last night he said something which crushed my soul. He called me a good friend when I was in his arms. Was he just using me while waiting for the love of his life? I'm not a person to confront directly because before starting to speak, I will start crying. Well, today is Friday and we have dinner in my favorite restaurant every Friday. I have been sitting here for last 20 minutes and he hasn't came yet. His phone is switched off. I can feel my dream life shattering in front of my eyes. I wish we were more vocal about our feelings. I am alone now. I have no one to share my feelings with. Ma'am, do you want to order now? I checked the time again and realized he will not come. I lost my appetite. No, I'm sorry. I'm going home. You look sad. Food can heal anything. Get me something that will make me drive crazy. He kept the card in his pocket. I'm sorry, I cannot buy Minyoongi with this small card. Wow, you are a Yoongi stan? Yes. Yoongi, marry me. If you are feeling down about something, I can listen to you. My shift is almost over. Your card is with me, so let's go out and eat ice cream. You can walk me home. You are expecting a princess treatment from a stranger. I love myself. I'm sad because I didn't respect myself enough to ask him who am I to him. I just gave him what he wanted. If you want me to be a therapist, then I will charge more than an ice cream. I know a good place to talk. Let's go. Alright. You can do the formalities of finishing your shift. This restaurant is mine. I was saving money. I get profit and salary too. Now, you want another profession of a therapist? It's not my first time. Once I talked to a depressed woman who was very sad because of her husband. Let me guess. You made them separate. No. I made her, never mind. सावधान रहें, सतर्क रहें. Alex poured 2 ice cream tubs and went towards Wyan, who was sitting on the bench. Wyan forwarded her hand to have one. Hold it for me until I finish one. You didn't get mine? Just imagine, you started telling me about your depressing life while eating ice cream. You may start crying because of the ups and downs of your life. Your nose may start getting runny. Then the golden thick liquid from your nose will mix with the ice cream and... Stop. Okay, ew. Eat it on your own. So what's bothering you? Garibi. So, blah blah blah. How can you show him your cat before he give half of his property or kidney to you? Don't you have any self-respect? He never even said I love you to you and you sniff the sheets where he farts daily? Shameless. That's what I was talking about. Your nose will get runny now. I don't know what to do. God has given us a tongue. Try to use it and ask him directly. I don't want to come out desperate or a crybaby. Men don't respect you if you are easily available to them. Where was your thesis when you were eating ramen with him? I don't know. I cannot confront him. then watch him use and throw you. You aren't helping at all. Give the ice cream back. Calm down, my daughter. I have a problem for every solution. Shall we play dirty? That's a bit toxic. I'm down for that. What's the plan? Spill the tea, sis. Beach? Never mind. Give me your phone. I gave him my phone. He clicked our pic and uploaded it on the WhatsApp status with the caption, "When your what if looks better than your what is." Amazing. Brilliant. I love it. So when he asks you about me, just act normal and call him a friend, a very very nice friend. And if he start questioning, then casually say, "Honey, if I don't ask about your relationship with your girl best friend, then why are you interfering in my life so much? I thought there is enough trust between us, but don't be mad. You will always be my best friend. Now go home and pretend to be extra happy." He left with her card. Such an angel he is. I came home. Jungkook is twerking in front of his laptop with a poker face. As soon as he saw me, he came closer and stood over my head. What? I went to the restaurant and you weren't there. I waited for you for 20 minutes. Layla got into an accident, so I took her to the hospital. I left my phone in the office, that's why I couldn't inform you. I asked my assistant to let you know that I will be late. Oh, actually, I don't attend the calls from unknown numbers. How is Layla now? Better. It wasn't something serious. So, what's with this pressure cooker face? Someone's enjoying ice creams too much. Yeah, it's my first love. Ice cream, or the company you were with? Ice cream. I cannot put a human above food. Period. Who was he? The owner of my favorite restaurant? He's my friend now. Do you even know who he is? His background, his full name? Wow, he's getting jealous. I should start my acting now. Honey, if I don't ask about your relationship with your girl best friend, why are you interfering in my life so much? I thought there is enough trust between us. But don't be mad. You will always be my best friend. No need to act. He's my cousin and he has already told me about your script. 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग का. I what? He called and cursed me so much for playing with you. He thinks I'm a playboy who is using a poor girl. I'm not poor. You are, because your card is with him. Nalli. Understandable. But wait, why the hell are you getting mad over me? I should be the one. He wrapped arms around her waist and pulled her dangerously closer. 1 week ago, when I asked you about your ideal type, you explained someone exactly opposite of me. Oli Tandon. Do you know how bad I felt? I assumed you just want our relationship to be like friends with benefits. I felt so awkward to talk about the issue because we never talked about the relationships before. I was messing around. I am so sorry. I never thought I would hurt you. Kamini. About Layla, my mom sent her here because she found out that once we had a contracted relationship. So she was mad that I played this game. Now my mom wanted me to marry Layla. I was heartbroken when you said that I am not your type. I am so sorry. क्षमा चाहते हैं हम. Don't mess around again. And I am sorry for not having a conversation or being open about my feelings. Let's not repeat this in future. What are you gonna do with Layla now? Well, in last 1 week, we were planning about her life. I helped her to get a job in another city and an apartment there. She will be living there with her girlfriend. Girlfriend? I thought you started liking her. I cannot like someone else. There is only one person in my heart. Kim Namjoon, us bro. I'm feeling so secure now. So, it will be better if we communicate rather than paying for others' ice creams. I will try to speak no nonsense about the beautiful relationship we share. I want to grow older with you. Yeah, and then we both will live as neighbors and you will stare me from the balcony when I will go for gardening with my hot husband with grey hair. ये राजू पकड़ मेरे को जानता नहीं है रे. Hey, stop it. Best part is yet to come. Trust me bro, she's too immature for you. You deserve someone better. someone with good communication skills. Jungkook is scrolling through his phone with a bored face. Did she block the card you stole from her? Exactly. So childish. I just bought a couple of Gucci items. How dare she? She is so sensitive and toxic. You will regret being with her. Hey guys. Alex, today I did a lot of marketing about your restaurant in my office. Oh my god, such an angel you are. Right now, I was just suggesting Jungkook to marry you as soon as possible. He cannot get someone like you. You are a gem in a garbage can. Thank you so much. So lovely you are. Back off. तेरा भाई गाड़ी चलाएगा. Jungkook, you don't deserve her. Even I was saying the same. I deserve someone like Yoongi.